Hello everyone, and I'm going to teach you how to use Phet Lab. So the first thing that you should do is you should see this page that says Waves Intro, and we are interested in waves in water. So we're going to click onto the water, and then this screen will pop up. Now this is a faucet, and when you click that green button, water will drop, and you'll get an aerial view of ripples forming into more water. So that is how you will get water started at any point in your experiment. And then we care about more of the side view, so we're gonna actually click down here and click that side view tab. And then this screen will pop up. So now we can actually see water drops displacing the water, the body of water. We're actually going to use this cool device, and you're going to bring it down here. And with this, you'll be able to graph it. You'll be able to see the graph of the waves. So these two things will show you how the water level is changing over time. You can see what kind of movement it makes. So we want to record that in your field notebook. If you're a surfer or have taken physics before, you can label any part of the graph that you know the components of. So go ahead and get started.